Hello and welcome to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratick on Sound Health Solution. In order to get to our points in this episode, we need to start from a story. Once, Gautam Buddha was walking across a forest when from a nearby village, an old woman came wailing to him. When the Buddha asked the old woman of what the problem was, the woman said that her son had died and she was there in order to beg to the Buddha to bring her son back to life. The Buddha contemplated for a moment and then said, "Okay, I will bring your son back to life, but I'm going to need a certain ingredient for that." "What is it that you need? I'll bring anything, I'll do anything you say. Just bring my son back to life." The Buddha said, "I need grains from a household where there has never been a death. If you can bring that to me, I can bring your son back to life." The woman hurriedly ran to the nearest village and started asking each and every household if anybody was dead in their family. The people were willing to give her grains, but the problem was that every family had somebody who had died. By and by, as the woman went from one household to another, she realized why the Buddha was making her do all of this. That's when she realized that death takes us all. Disease brings us closer to death, and that's when she accepted the death of her son. We all are going to die, and diseases are going to take us there. And at this present moment, we all know somebody who is a casualty of a dangerous disease. This video is for those people and for you, yourself, in order to heal, because everybody always is in a process of healing. So in this video, we discuss about some of the affirmations and the intentions to keep in your mind while you pray for your own recovery or for somebody else's recovery. So this is to set your intention as you are getting yourself ready and getting yourself determined to heal yourself through energy. After a couple of deep breaths, what you need to put in your mind is the thought that I am a clear and open channel for healing energy and for light. I am a clear and open channel for healing energy and for light. And as I get filled with this light, I'll disperse it around me for the betterment of other people around me. As I heal myself with energy, and as I heal others with my energy, may I be connected to my true nature, and may others be able to connect to their true nature too. The most important energy, the most healing energy, the most powerful energy is love. And hence shall I be full of love, and anything other than love shall be rid from my body, from my mind, and my soul. May I release resistance that act as hindrances for the divine healing energy to enter my body. May I be guided by my highest self, and may I be blessed and healed because I trust in the nature of the universe. I trust in the power of existence. I trust in the nature of creation. And may I be able to distribute all of these positive energies thus gained to other people around me for the benefit of others. This is a small healing intention that you can perform every night and every time somebody needs healing, whether it be you or somebody around you. If you liked this content, do not forget to press the like button, and if you like whatever is happening in Sound Health Solution, do not forget to press the subscribe button and share this video with your like-minded friends. If we have missed anything, or if you want to leave a positive response, please do so in the comment box down below. You and I, let's build a community of new age enlightened human beings. Until next time.